Today, we're diving into the wild world of affiliate marketing for beginners in 2024. And we've got a special treat: John Thornhill's Ambassador Program. Get ready for a journey that's as thrilling as a roller coaster ride. Click on the link in the description to sign up for a free webinar. So, what's affiliate marketing, you ask? It's like being a matchmaker for products and buyers, and you earn a sweet commission for every love story you create. No, you won't need a bow and arrow, but a laptop and internet connection will do the trick. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals, known as affiliates, earn a commission for promoting products or services and driving sales. This model is ideal for beginners as it requires minimal investment and provides an opportunity to earn passive income. Imagine picking a niche that's not just your passion, but also your secret talent. That's where the magic begins. And in the mystical land of affiliate programs, John Thornhill's Ambassador Program is the wizard guiding you through the enchanted forest. Who's this John Thornhill guy? Well, he's not a magician, or maybe he is, who knows? But he's a guru in the online marketing realm. His Ambassador Program is the best affiliate marketing for beginners 2024. Now, buckle up for the training sessions. It's not your typical snooze-fest. It's more like a Netflix binge-watch, but you're learning how to make money instead of memorizing useless trivia. John Thornhill and his team are like the cool mentors who won't let you feel like you're learning. It's more like having a chat with friends who happen to be marketing geniuses. And the commissions? Oh, they're not just numbers. They're the sweet symphony of weekly cash flowing into your account. As affiliate marketing for beginners 2024 continues to thrive, you will have the chance to unlock financial success by following strategic steps and aligning with reputable programs. John Thornhill's Ambassador Program emerges as a beacon for those seeking mentorship, training, and substantial commissions in their affiliate marketing journey. Embrace the opportunities, stay informed, and watch as your affiliate marketing efforts pave the way for a prosperous online venture. Sign up today, watch the webinar, learn how to make money online, and see everything this program offers. Have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching.